Hey friends, welcome back to Web Success, your go-to spot for smarter, faster online growth. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever spent hours editing a video and still felt like something's just off? Or maybe you're new to video creation and don't know which tool to even start with? Well, today, we're putting Pictory and CapCut head-to-head. I've used both extensively, and the difference in how they work and who they're really for is something every content creator should know. So whether you're a YouTuber, business owner, freelancer, or curious beginner, this one's for you. Let's rewind to last year. I was helping a close friend launch his Faceless YouTube channel. He had everything ready: the niche, the voiceovers, even a content plan. But editing? That was the wall. He'd open traditional software and just feel overwhelmed. We started with CapCut because it's free, flexible, and popular. We had fun playing with effects and music, but the manual work was draining. Then a fellow creator mentioned Pictory. I tried it once, and I kid you not, we were blown away by how quickly we had a polished, voice-narrated video, all done through AI. That's what sparked this whole comparison, because both tools are excellent, but for very different people. Let's start with CapCut. If you've ever watched aesthetic reels, cool transitions on shorts, or cinematic TikToks, there's a high chance they were edited on CapCut. It's made by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. And here's the best part, it's 100% free. No watermarks, available on both mobile and desktop. Now, CapCut is like a toolbox for creatives. You can layer audio, drag transitions, sync beats, color grade, and even use advanced stuff like motion tracking or green screen effects. Let me break it down. Want to animate your text? CapCut's got dozens of presets. Want to split clips on the beat of a soundtrack? CapCut makes it easy. Want to do voice to caption and burn it into your reels? Done. But, and here's the catch, you have to build it all yourself. CapCut is manual, not in a bad way, but in a way that requires attention and patience. I once edited a motivational short using CapCut. It had layered music, zoom-ins, filters, sound effects, and the result looked. But it took me 2.5 hours for a 45-second video. Use CapCut if you enjoy total creative control. You want to build aesthetic videos from scratch. You're working on reels, shorts, TikToks, or even cinematic intros. You don't mind spending time tweaking visuals, transitions, and effects. You want a fully featured free editor without limits. CapCut is the choice for artists and hands-on creators who want every second of video to reflect their vision. Now let's shift gears. Imagine this. You copy-paste a script, hit generate, and within 1 to 2 minutes, you have a full video. Stock clips, subtitles, music, voiceover, everything's done. That's Pictory. It's an AI-powered tool made for speed and automation. It's designed especially for faceless YouTubers, educators, bloggers, or people who want to turn written content into video fast. Let me give you a real example. I had a 1,500-word blog post. Normally, turning that into a video would take me hours. Script trimming, selecting stock clips, voiceover, subtitles. But with Pictory, I just pasted the text, selected a voice, chose a template, and 10 minutes later, boom, video ready to publish. Pictory handled scene-by-scene stock visuals, auto subtitles, AI voice narration, background music, branding, and logo placement. It was mind-blowing. But here's what you can't do in Pictory. No cinematic transitions, no manual keyframing or zoom-ins, no creative layering of clips and music. You trade customization for speed and structure. Use Pictory if you want to create videos fast without editing knowledge. You make faceless or educational content. You want to repurpose blog posts or scripts into videos. You value quantity and consistency over perfection. You're a business owner, solo content creator, or podcast repurposer. Pictory is your production assistant, not your creative director. Let's now do a full side-by-side comparison so you can see which tool fits your exact workflow. 1. Ease of use. CapCut. Very user-friendly, but editing requires learning timelines, effects, and layering. If you're new, expect a small learning curve. Pictory, plug and play. Anyone who can write a script or blog post can create a video. It's truly no code and no skill editing. 2. Editing style. CapCut. Manual, creative, and great for visual storytelling. Works best for short and mid-length content where storytelling and visuals go hand in hand. Pictory, automated and structured, ideal for long-form narration, faceless videos, or converting written content to video. 3. Time efficiency. CapCut, expect 1 to 3 hours per video, depending on how much detail you want. Every layer, transition, and clip is placed manually. Pictory. Most videos, even 10 to 15 minutes long, take under 30 minutes. The AI does the hard work, selecting visuals, syncing voiceovers, and formatting. 4. Cost CapCut. 100% free with all features. No subscriptions. Great for creators on a tight budget. Pictory. Free trial available. Paid plans start at $19 a month. Worth it if you publish at least 1 video per week and value time saved. 5. Platform support. CapCut. Available on mobile and desktop. Perfect for on-the-go editing or professional workstations. Pictory. Entirely browser-based. No installation. Works on any device with internet, even Chromebooks. 6. Voiceover support. CapCut. You import your voiceover or record directly. Great if you want personalized narration or multiple layers of music and effects. Pictory comes with built-in AI voices in various accents and languages. You can also upload your own voice if you prefer a custom touch. 7. Content Vibe. CapCut. Perfect for creators who love cinematic edits, trends, memes, or stylish visuals. Ideal for social media and brand building. Pictory. Best for professional, informative, or educational content. Think explainer videos, channel intros, narrated tips, etc. Let me get honest here. There was a night I stayed up till 3 a.m. editing a short motivational video on CapCut. Every beat had to hit just right. Every clip had to feel like it meant something. And I loved the process, but I was exhausted. Fast forward a week, I needed a new video for a client. No time. I pasted their blog into Pictory, hit generate, tweaked a few visuals, and finished the video before lunch. That video got more engagement than the one I spent hours on. That moment taught me something big. It's not always about how cinematic or beautiful your video is. It's about how consistent and efficient you can be. AI is changing content forever. With tools like Pictory, you can run an entire faceless YouTube channel without ever filming, recording, or editing manually. That's powerful. But CapCut reminds us why human creativity still matters. Here's my strategy that I think more people should try. Use Pictory to create the structure, narration, visuals, script flow. Then, export and refine in CapCut. Add cinematic cuts, brand overlays, effects, and music. This hybrid workflow gives you speed plus polish, which is unbeatable for solo creators or small teams. Here's a quick list to help you decide fast. Want TikTok-style captions or green screen reels? CapCut Mobile. Need to crank out 10 videos per week? Pictory repurposing blogs into YouTube videos? Pictory creating product promo videos with cinematic impact? CapCut Desktop, adding zooms, overlays, memes, music sync? CapCut Wins, need to edit hands-free, no skills required? Pictory all the way, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of creator are you? The artist or the speed seeker? How often do you make videos? Weekly, monthly, daily? Have you tried Pictory or CapCut before? Which one do you prefer and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one of them. There's no winner, just a better match for your style and goals. If you want fast uploads, faceless automation, and volume, go with Pictory. If you want full control, creative satisfaction, and professional edits, use CapCut. And if you're serious about growth, use both. Let Pictory handle the groundwork. Then take it into CapCut to add your personal touch. That combo, a creator's secret weapon. If this breakdown helped you, hit that like, tap subscribe, and share it with someone trying to level up their content game. I'll leave links in the description to both tools, along with some exclusive tutorials if you want to dive deeper. Until next time, I'm your name, and this is Web Success, where smart tools meet smarter creators. Keep creating, keep winning. See you in the next one.